Ready, Jimmy?
Let's go.
All right. To the scrap yard we go. Scrapping in the 12 valve. We're getting scrappy. Every time you touch that bit. Every time you touch it. Yes! That's rowdy. That's perfect. Dude, this is cool.
Oh, fucking Johnny.
Yes. Good luck, Jimmy. All right, boys, we're at the scrap yard. Kind of nervous about whether to take it or not based on it's a burnt car, but we do have the title and the VIN is visible, so we should be all right.
She said wait for a thumbs up. Fart.
Yeah, dude, I got nervous.
God damn.
What? Dude, I don't know what's going on.
God damn.
I think you back in right there.
Right where?
Or that. We need to pull in here and get all the straps off of it. So these dude, that's a Cummins right there in that old semi. Let's get all the straps off real quick. There we go. Perfect. Hey, hold on. Pull that chain out, Jimmy, when he's ready. Right on. Wave to it, Jimmy.
Fucking truck's rolling.
It's been real, Festivia. Damn. Good memories, that car. Good memories, that car. look at the motor. I don't want to look at it. Scale. You're good. She said we're good. Activity bus. It's an activity bus, Jimmy.
Well, John Deere.
That is cool. This is just cool in general. Mowers, you ever need a mower? Come out here to Hamilton County Transfer Station. Jimmy, shut this off. All it does is roll. 73 bucks, Jimmy.
$73.
Jimmy, we can buy whatever we want.
We're getting a good lunch.
We can go buy a Game Boy or something.
I can't put the fucking cookie just like that.
We can go buy a Game Boy or
Look
something.
at that yard roll.
Dude, this is so cool.
This is a crash test truck.
Is it?
And the color of the shit. Look at them are pricey.
This is a crash test truck.
That's what it is.
Holy crap.
That's what she took.
Crash test truck, boys. There, dude, I want them bags. Maybe they'll sell us some bags.
Dude,
God
turn
damn.
up good in it.
Is it?
I want it.
Dude, this, what is it?
Crash test in it.
What was it? It's a Freightliner. Is it a Cummins? No, it's not. It's a
Detroit.
It's a Detroit, bud. It's a crash test. That's cool. I wonder where they have a crash test thing at.
That's what it is.
I want them bags though. She weighed in at a whopping 1,400 pounds. I can't get this straight because the jalopy suspension on this box we're in. Total weight of this truck and trailer, god damn it, 9,080 pounds. That car weighed 1,460 pounds. Not bad, not bad.
73.
$73 and some change we got for that car just now. Hey, now the goal, we got to find another car. She said we don't have any running cars. I think that would be, I wonder if that's for sale. That patrol,
It just needs a battery.
that patrol vehicle right there. Eagle Trident Patrol, bud. Hey, that's what's next. I don't know when, but we're gonna find us another one. Let's get it.